don't want to change my friend. Never go under pressure like no one could imagine. It's not a good time that you've been but you're a really strong brother, and I know. Putting out his Luther Vandross with Keeping My Faith in imizuzu basiyenze beyi-16 ngokuyibethile intsimbi yaka-11 o'clock sixoxela nobuphilo Tsholo senior mentor at Edukasi. Namhlanje ke sijonga umba we-mentorship and support key to women's success and leadership. Ma'am, good morning and thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, and thank you for having me back.
Back? We once had a conversation last year.
Like late last year around children and the growth of and the well-being of abantwana, yes.
Enkosi kakhulu siyabulela wethu buphilo. Namhlanje sijonga i-mentorship and support key to women's success in leadership. Someone akekho familiar with the word mentorship. What do we mean? Classicity mentorship, more especially kumanina ase in leadership.
All right. So when we talk about mentorship, we're talking about the provision of guidance and support for one to succeed and grow. Mainly, this is in a career yako or your workplace for one to develop. But also it applies to many facets of your life. Mentorship plays a very big role in even people's personal life, not necessarily just a career yako, but in other facets of your life. But I'm sure as we go on in the interview, we can unpack that.
Yes. Why do women specifically, Bupilo, need mentorship to succeed in leadership positions? Why do they need... yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that. So I believe, of course, we know leadership positions globally, whether it's like South Africa or anywhere else in the world. We know what leadership positions are dominated by men. So being a minority in leadership positions can be challenging. It comes with its many challenges, and I believe that women need support in order for them to succeed in that role, in that leadership role. And they need certain structures or people or however you define your mentorship or where you get your mentorship and support from in order to show up to be your best, because it is important also we as women in leadership are not silenced. We remember that we have a voice and that we belong. Do you understand? And having that support structure to support us through that and knowing how to show up as our best selves is very important.
Do you think indlela esiphokoza ngayo ulwazi esimentorisha ngayo abantu basetyhini enough compared to indlela ekuxhonxwa ngayo abantu abangootata in leadership positions?
And as women, I think it is enough. Okay. I don't think there's enough access to it because, like I said, men are more in leadership positions. So they've always had that access. It's always been around. But as women, it's I won't say it's hard to find. If you're looking in the right places, you're going to find it. But because it's something that is not as common as what men have, you'll find it. But definitely, I think with men, it's always been around and it's more easier and accessible because they're more male leaders. Yeah,
okay. Yeah. Siba-mentorishile abamama with kwezi positions zabo bazifumana as skills. What happens after? Do we monitor them or sibathembile zimbokodo bazawukwazi usurvive efieldini, or what do we do?
So I think in terms of that, yes, your skills will assist you and build you and grow you. You will always have to use them to sustain yourself, but mentorship and support never dies. Now, as you never stop growing. Whether it's in your career or whatever it is, you will always need a support structure. So you might have this mentorship. You might go into a mentorship, I don't know, structure, or someone might support you. But it is so imperative for that to live on with you or for you. Do you understand? Mentorship does not just, and I like to say, but we like to formalize what mentorship is. We only think that it's just something that's associated with your career. mentorship is also someone or your support structure outside of work helping you, show up as your best self and as your for your personal well-being to grow. It's not just a career thing, but as a leader, it's far more than just what you learn and your role and your responsibility, but you're dealing with abantu. You're dealing with other challenges outside of umsebenzi. So you know that you've got umuntu outside of work, mhlampe in other structures that can help you best navigate how to grow your people skills and know how to show up and not be silenced, but know how to also deal with people as a leader.
Speaking of being a leader, I call emsebenzini ekhaya, but society and indlela wena ezakubuilda ngayo ukwazi ukukhula as umuntu wasetyhini. Abantu abaninzi sidla ngokuthi thina sisasazela abantu abasezilalini kakhulu. Kusekho laa nto yobana utata useRhawutini ukwaTepa uyosebenza and then umama ushiyeke ekhaya ukhulisa abantwana, meaning that Bophelo la mama uyilida ekhaya because each and every single thing esekhaya, it is her responsibility. Imfuyo elapha ekhaya irresponsibility yakhe, ukhulisa abantwana irresponsibility yakhe. Ungamcebisa uthini la mama ukwisituation elolo hlobo ubana uzibuilda njani yena azikhulise and ingamncedisa njani loo nto leyo in closing?
Okay, Ngosicima. So with that, Unyanisile, it's not just emsebenzini. We know that as women, we are the leaders of the home. You understand? So it's like I said, your support structure. Mhlambe you as umama, you know that you need other women or mama to be able to help you get through certain situations.
Sure.
Yeah, but you could be facing issues just with abantwana bakho, but you don't know how to. But that support structure, whether it's someone personal, whether it's umuntu ecaweni, wherever it is, ukuthi bona, they can bring you up. Mentorship or support structure is about bringing a person up, helping them to grow, helping them to navigate themselves and really just being their best selves and personally and whatever leadership structure, whether you are umama endlini, whether you are a leader, whether you are a leader in just your community or wherever it is. So it really is the emphasis on a support structure and where you get that, who's helping you, where are you receiving that guidance, because you're not just going to everyone and listening to what everyone has to say, because not everyone will have your best interests at heart. But as umuntu, you'll always need a support structure, and that's what I'm saying, but it will never end. It will go with you until umdala.
Bophelo Tsholo, Senior Mentor at Educas. Siyabulela kakhulu ngexesha lakho. Ube nemini emandi.
Enkosi kakhulu. Bye.
Bye.
Uma Mdeuga mafunde sikhule sakuhlala kulisize ngolwazi nokuphuma Mdeuga on Matakane exclusively on Vukani FM.